Car theft happens faster than most people finish a cup of coffee. Scary, right? Today you'll discover top 5 best steering wheel lock 2026 that protect your car, SUV, or truck with real strength. Stay with me for smart safety insights, and check product links in description to buy easily and save time. Crime doesn't knock politely, it just takes what's easy. That thought hits hard when you park your vehicle overnight. The Tevlify steering wheel lock anti-theft device feels like a silent bodyguard for your truck or car. Thick, heavy-duty steel construction makes it feel almost stubborn against tampering. The adjustable locking arms hug the wheel tightly, sending a clear message to thieves that your vehicle isn't an easy target. This is especially valuable for drivers seeking strong protection from everyday theft risks without installing expensive alarm systems. If you drive in busy cities or park outdoors, this anti-theft car lock gives real peace of mind. The 3 included keys add backup convenience. Compared with lighter aluminum wheel locks, this one feels stronger and more intimidating visually, a real deterrent. The only downside is its slightly heavier weight during daily handling. Still, for practical security lovers hunting reliable best steering wheel lock 2026 options, this is a wise defensive upgrade. Stay protected, stay ahead of trouble silently. Cars are stolen in seconds, even from quiet streets. That realization hits hard. The Tevlify steering wheel lock anti-theft device feels like installing a silent bodyguard for your vehicle. This retractable brake pedal lock uses a 5-coded combination system, removing the stress of losing keys while adding strong theft deterrence for SUVs, trucks, vans, and family cars. For drivers worried about break-ins during late parking hours, this heavy-duty universal fit security tool brings real-world peace of mind without complicated setup. Compared with traditional keyed steering locks, this keyless design feels faster to use and harder for thieves to predict, though it may take a few tries to memorize the code. Its biggest strength is durability and strong metal construction. The only downside is slightly heavier weight than lightweight steering locks. Ideal buyers are daily commuters, ride-share drivers, and anyone parking in public spaces. This feels like a practical shield against chaos, quietly guarding your journey every time you step away from the wheel. I once thought car security was invisible, until I saw how easily a thief could slide into a parked vehicle at night. That fear disappears when using the case-and-top car steering wheel lock, a compact red shield against unwanted surprises. This lightweight anti-theft device feels like carrying silent protection inside your SUV, golf cart, or daily commuter. With a max 17-inch length, it wraps steering wheels and seat belts tightly, stopping quick break-in attempts before they even start. Compared to bulkier metal bar locks, this multifunctional design feels more travel-friendly, like choosing a sharp tool over heavy armor in the best steering wheel lock 2026 category. The biggest win is convenience and portability, just lock and walk away with lighter shoulders. The downside? It lacks the aggressive heavy-duty thickness of premium dual-hook models. Ideal for city drivers, young families, or anyone parking in public areas. It delivers quiet protection, like a trusted friend watching your car when you can't. Stay safe, stay prepared, and let worry fade quietly behind you. The moment you hear a car alarm in a dark parking lot, your heart tightens, not from fear, but from the thought of how easily theft can ruin your day. That is where the winner international the Club 1100 LX Series steering wheel lock, red, large steps in like a quiet guardian. This heavy-duty red bar feels more like a visual warning than a tool, instantly discouraging thieves who prefer easy targets. Many drivers still rely on basic alarms, but physical protection remains a stronger first barrier in 2026's evolving car security landscape. This steering wheel lock solves the anxiety of leaving vehicles parked outside homes or busy malls. The hardened steel construction delivers solid resistance, while the bright red color works as a psychological deterrent. Compared to cheaper generic locks, the Club 1100 LX feels sturdier, though slightly heavier to carry in daily use. It's ideal for SUV owners, city drivers, and anyone parking outdoors overnight. Small trade-off? Slight installation time. Big reward? Peace of mind without complexity. If protection feels smarter than regret, this tool quietly earns its place beside modern vehicle safety gear. A thief only needs 30 seconds to ruin your day, but your peace of mind can last forever with the Artago 870 high-end steering wheel lock. Imagine walking away from your parked SUV without that knot of anxiety in your chest. This 2-in-1 anti-theft guardian feels like a silent night watchman, triggering its 120 decibel smart alarm the moment suspicious movement is detected. The night LED alert flashes like warning eyes in darkness, quietly discouraging theft attempts before they escalate. Real drivers struggle with cheap locks that can be cut or twisted. This model wraps securely around a spoke, giving stronger mechanical resistance than many basic best steering wheel lock 2026 options. Compared to simpler bar-style locks, Artago feels more intelligent, more tactical. Ideal for urban commuters, truck owners, and anyone leaving vehicles overnight outside. The downside? It's heavier than basic locks, but that extra weight feels like carrying extra protection. If vehicle safety matters, this device quietly transforms worry into calm readiness. Drive smart, sleep better, and let security stay invisible yet powerful.